In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct audio balance issues in your audio tracks using your editing software. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you understand not just how to do it, but why it's done this way to achieve the best audio quality for your projects. Let's get started right away. To begin, open your editing software and navigate to the window that's labeled either Audio Track Mixer or Audio Clip Mixer. This is where you'll access the controls needed to adjust the sound levels and ensure a balanced audio output. The mixer provides a central hub for controlling various audio aspects across your sequence, so it's crucial to get comfortable with navigating these tools. Once you're in the audio mixer, focus on the specific track you're trying to adjust. You'll need to locate the left-right pan balance knob or dial for that particular track. This is the control that helps you manage the stereo balance, which ensures your audio isn't skewed too much to the left or right side of your audio field. Now here's an important tip. If you find your dial set all the way to the left at -100 or all the way to the right at +100, you'll want to move it back to 0. Setting it to 0 centers the audio, providing an even listening experience where the sound is equally dispersed through both speakers. Now, if you've noticed that your audio meters are consistently showing a signal predominantly on the left side, for example, this could indicate that the pan or balance is misaligned. Returning the pan to 0 should rectify this. Remember, the goal is to create a balanced, central audio environment unless you have specific creative reasons for having the sound favor one side over the other. In some instances, you may have applied effects directly on the clip level rather than across the track. To ensure these effects aren't impacting your stereo balance, it's a good practice to check the audio clip mixer. This is different from the audio track mixer and sometimes necessary if the adjustments you need are at a more granular clip-by-clip level rather than across a whole track. Checking both windows is a great habit because it ensures that your effects and settings are applied as intended across your project. Following these directions will help you maintain a high-quality, professional sound in your audio projects. It's all about paying attention to those small details that contribute to a polished final product. Keep practicing these adjustments, and you'll become increasingly proficient, making your audio editing process smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope to see you again soon with more helpful tips and techniques.